Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my first vlog in a while. So I just got ready for school. I'm going to be going to school today. And then I have a pretty action-packed weekend this weekend. I have a lot of things going on. So why not vlog it? But first, we got to go to school. Alright, guys. So right now, I just got home from school. And I think we're going to go to the car show right now. So let's go. Guys, we just got to the car show and right now we're inside a Jeep. I don't know what this is, but we're just inside a Jeep. It's really cool here. This leather's really nice. Yeah, so I think soon we are going to go check out the Lambos. Right now I'm inside this Ford Mustang. It is really nice. I think it's the 2018 version, or 2019. I think it's 2019. Oh my gosh. The back is so not roomy. The front seat's really roomy. The front seat's really comfortable. Just the back is so uncomfortable. This is a Ford Explorer. This is a really nice car. This is the car my mom has. This is really comfortable. I really like this car. Hopefully we can get to the Lambos really soon. But right now I'm just chilling. We have that thing over there, that little car. And then we also have these SUVs over here. This is very cool. Check out the Chevy Colorado. This is cool. I gotta admit, these cars are not as comfortable. Like, this one isn't as comfortable as the Ford. So so far I like Ford. I like Ford a lot better. But playing with this handle is pretty nice. Guys, just look at that interior. That is so nice. Oh my god. Bro, this is literally like the best. That's cool. That interior looks sick. If you go to the back, that's the engine. That is also really cool. That's cool. Oh my gosh. This is my favorite car so far. Here is a Koenigsegg. I don't know if I'm saying it right, but this is also a really cool car as well. I have McLarens. My favorite McLaren is probably that one. I like that one, but this one's my favorite. This one's more my style. This one I don't really like. It's just too plain. This is a Jaguar. This is a really sick car. I really like this car. Ooh, this is comfortable.
Let me see if there's enough room.
I like this. This car is really cool. This car I love. Look, and I like how it like shows the little Audi logo. I don't know if you can see it. And you can hop in here. Oh my God, I love this interior. This is nice. This is probably my second favorite car. Like, it's just really comfortable. When I start driving and I can vlog with you guys, I can go like this. I can set up the camera somewhere right here. This car show is amazing. This car, oh my gosh, it's just so comfortable. My, this is a great car. That interior is really nice. GMC. Right now we're inside a GMC truck. Not my favorite. This dashboard is really weird. Like, I don't know. This dashboard seems really weird. We are leaving the car show right now. It was awesome. I really loved it. My favorite car was definitely the McLaren by far. Yeah, I really love that car. The McLaren was my favorite.
Can you get that on video?
And I also like the Lamborghini. Hey, good morning guys. It's the next day. Yesterday was the car show. Guys, it was really cool. I really liked the car show. My favorite car there has got to be either the, what was it? McLaren or Lamborghini. That was just really cool. It is a cloudy day today. So right now I think I'm just gonna go chill and just hang out. Hey, good morning guys. It's the next day once again. So this is gonna be like a weekend vlog. So guys, right now I'm basically gonna do like a little so guys, basically right now I'm gonna do like a little film to like end this vlog. So here we go. So guys, I hope you guys enjoyed that little montage. Guys, that's the end of our first vlog back. So please like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you next time, guys. Peace.